Google setup require Google Gmail ID. First step. Second step है billing setup payment. Third step है website landing page professional business website you need. Fourth step campaign goal lead traffic call or sale. Fifth step is keyword. What keyword you need to use for Google, like TV repair, washing machine. This is the example. Then 10 to 15 headline you need. 30 for description like this. Location, which location you're targeting, conversion setup, budget planning, 3 to 4 day. Then is campaign type, display, YouTube ad, which type. All these 10 setup you need for Google Ads. So let's go start first. Google Ad, Gmail ID you need, payment system for second step, billing. For billing you need payment system, UPI, debit card, credit card. 3 website you need for run Google Ad. 4 you need campaign goal, which type of campaign, lead, website traffic, call and sale. You want to select Google search. Keyword you need, like this keyword. 10 to 15 headlines you need, is very important. 3 to 4 description you need, like this. Same TV, same TV repair, affordable appliance. Location unit, which location you are targeting. You can place there many location, pin code number, conversation setup unit, call, WhatsApp, click from submission. And 9 budget planning unit per day, how many you want to invest. And campaign type based for your search display area.